How to get higher website rankings with this 15-point SEO checklist for HVAC and appliance repair companies. This is the Appliance Experts. Today we're talking about how to get higher website rankings with this 15-point SEO checklist for HVAC and appliance repair companies. So let's briefly go through the rundown of what we're talking about here. What is local SEO? Between general SEO and local SEO, what is the difference? Why is local SEO important? Local SEO checklist: 15 ways to earn higher rankings. 1. How to find all the main keywords for AC repair or appliance repair that you would like to rank for. 2. How to get your homepage optimized for your main keywords. 3. How to create content about your air conditioning or appliance repair services, cities or locations you service, etc. 4. How to get your business website content optimized for long-tail keywords as well as voice search. 5. How to optimize your website SEO titles, meta descriptions, and the URLs. 6. How to create website pages that are unique for each of the locations in your service area. 7. How to optimize for mobile your HVAC website or appliance repair site. 8. How to use the local business structured data. 9. How to build all the backlinks you can get from other local businesses. 10. How to make sure that your business is listed in local directories. 11. How to make sure that your business data across the directories is kept consistent. 12. How to claim your Google My Business profile and make sure it is optimized. 13. How to prioritize the collection of customer reviews. 14. How to regularly publish Google posts. 15. How to analyze your main competitors for local SEO strategies. Also discover from our article, Local SEO Tools including resources that will boost your ranking. 1. Moz Local. 2. Local SEO Checklist. 3. Synup. 4. White Spark Local Citation Finder. 5. BuzzStream. 6. Free Review Monitoring. Finally, make sure to get your free digital marketing review session. If you want to learn more about what we are talking about in this latest article, make sure to check for the link in the description below. The article is going to be on our blog and we also will post videos on our YouTube channel. Hope you found this information useful, and we will talk to you soon.